somebody is getting their monkey ass kicked all over Dallas.
Are you kidding me? Rock's gonna Rock's. He's ready.
Oh my God.
The Brahma Bull trunks and the elbow pad. We're gonna have Rock in a match here tonight at WrestleMania.
Oh boy.
And here we go. Match underway. Rock with a rock bottom. Rock bottom. Cover on Rowan. Rock wins. 3 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner.